Hey guys, we are back again with another munch, and today we've got something special again in store for you, and that is the Tawa style mutton liver. Now guys, this one's going to be a nice sizzly spicy dish, so let's just get on with it. So first of all, we have some mutton liver cut in small cubes, 1 onion, now this is cut into half and then sliced, some chopped green chilies, about 5. We have a whole tomato cut into small cubes, tablespoon of garlic, good tablespoon of ginger, and some coriander finely chopped. Now onto the main ground spices: half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder, this is a Madras hot one, and then 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This gives the vibrant color and a nice flavor. 1 heaped teaspoon of kasuri methi leaves, which is dried fenugreek leaf, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. As always, lemon juice, 3 tablespoons, salt to taste, we're going to go with 1 teaspoon, and half a cup of oil. On a medium heat, we go half a cup of oil, in goes the onions, going to fry this for a couple of minutes.
RJ, you're doing your delicious liver?
Yes guys.
Baby Zany cannot wait. Baby Zany's favourite, isn't it?
Yeah, and soon we're going to do chicken liver, mutton liver, cow liver, they're all really delicious. Then I'm going with the garlic, ginger. In ratio I've gone in with a bit more garlic and ginger than the onions. We want to get rid of the liver smell. So the garlic ginger does a good job in doing that. We're not going to fry it too much again, a couple of minutes only. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder, and then 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Give that a nice mix. Now, again, as always, we don't want to fry this too much like this. We want to get some water ready so it doesn't burn. There we go, get some water in there. Oh, I can smell that Kashmiri chili powder. Beautiful. Give that a nice mix. We're going to need a bit more water. And now we're going to bump up the heat back to medium. Now bear in mind, we're not going too crazy on the chili powders because we've got chili in the Madras curry powder. We've got green chilies that we're going to be adding. Just going to put this back to a low medium. Whoa, look at these colours guys, look at these colours. Guys, I realised in the Tawa fry it's nice to have a little bit more oil in there. So what I'm going to do is add a touch more. One tablespoon of tomato puree. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Salt to taste, but I'm going with 1. So I did that extra bit of water after because of the fact that I'm adding tomato puree and this thickens the sauce. But as you can see, this beautiful colour guys, is unbelievable. Just get that mixed in nicely. So we cooked the masala for 5 minutes. Just waited for the oil to release, and then we're going to go in with the liver. Oh, beautiful guys, beautiful, beautiful, what am I saying? I'm going to bump the heat back to a higher medium just because the liver's cold and I don't want it to cool the pan down. Oh guys, this is beautiful, oh my god. And now I'm going to put it back down to a low medium just because the pan's heated up. If you have a lot of water in there, you can bump up the heat a little, but if it's kind of dry, then you can leave it on a low to medium. But in the end, it's going to be kind of a dry buna sort of look. As it's starting to dry now, I've dropped the heat again to quite a low medium. And this is what we're going for. So by the time it's nice and dried up, the liver will be cooked and the spices will be cooked. And it's time for the green chilies, tomatoes to go in. Now we don't want these tomatoes to completely dissolve and melt and become the sauce. We just want it to be there accompanying the liver so you can bite into them. Same thing with the green chilies, they need to stay a bit whole. We go in with black pepper, crushed black pepper, and the methi leaves. Now this is why it's called tawa, because it basically dries up, it gets that nice sear on it. There we go. And just full of intense flavours. Now I'm pretty sure this is a wrap. Lots of coriander, guys. If you love coriander, go for lots. And now I'm just going to switch it off because my hobby's hot. And all I want to do is just get the coriander in there. Give it a little bit of fragrance. Give it a little bit of a look.
Oh,
get that tomato in as well.
We're going in, guys. It's munch time.
Oh, do you see these? Look like these charcoaly pieces. These are smoking.
Yeah. The fluffy naan.
Fluffy naan.
RJ's taken a bite of it already. Okay, RJ, do it.
Oh my god.
How is it?
Oh my god.
How is it, RJ?
The green chilies are nice and spicy as well. I can't believe it. That's the exact minutes, guys, you need to cook it for. The liver is so nice and tender.
Is it nice and soft?
It feels like it's got a little bit of a crunch on the outside, but inside it's nice and still soft.
Because you've got to be really careful with liver, right?
Yeah.
It cooks really quick.
And this is quite a spicy dish. As you can see, it's quite dry. That's how the Tawa stuff is. It's always like this. If I move it around, you can see some of the onions still whole.
Oh, it's looking.
You can see some of the green chili still there, the tomatoes.
You're moving way too fast, RJ. I can't even capture it.
Look at that. Can you just see the spices?
Oh, yes.
Guys, this has to be done with naan bread. You can have it with rice, but it's got to be long grain basmati rice. But let me just continue with this.
Oh my gosh. Is it good, RJ?
The flavours are all there, and I've got that Tawa sort of smokiness. Even though I cooked it in a frying pan, it's still dried out perfectly. And the green chilies, I got lucky with them today. They've got a nice little zing on them. The tomatoes, as I said, you know you can never go wrong with tomatoes. But what I love most is it's not too heavy, not too light, but you can see those masalas.
Oh, it's looking
They've just cooked in nicely.
amazing.
They just stick to the bread. Can you see that?
I can see that. Oh, that's.
Do you see how the liver's got a nice sear on it?
Oh, yes.
That pan
RJ.
done it justice. Now, guys, I am going to have to add a crunch to the munch.
Oh, yes. What are we going in with, RJ?
I've got mint leaves. I've got a bit of coriander. I've got the onion as usual. Now, this is how it's done. Bite. Crunch.
Oh, yeah. I can hear it out here.
Oh, mint.
Is it good? Is it good, RJ?
Next time I'm going to garnish it with mint leaves. As always.
Guys, I think we're going to wrap it up. You guys know what to do, right? If you like the munch, go punch the like button.
Subscribe and share.
With other munchers out there. And don't forget to...
Ding ding.
The bell button.